Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 15th of April and these are the support and resistance level for today's Nifty 50. That is, the support is around 14,356 and the next support is at 14,150 and the resistance level is at 14,600. That's the first resistance level for today, and the next resistance level will be around 14,690 somewhere. Okay, so we'll see how the market will perform today. So now let me go into the pre-open market and see where the market is opening and how the market is opening. So the market is opening at 14,522, which is almost our closest level to the resistance 1. Okay, so that is 14,600. So it's opening at 14,522, that is 0.12% up. Advances stocks are 32, declines are 15, and unchanged are 3 stocks. So let's see the stocks which are opening the most gap up section, that is ONGC with 2.16% up, TCS with 1.81% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening the most gap down section, that is Infi with 4.64% down, and HCL Tech with 1.57% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. Okay, so before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit and want to learn all the techniques and strategies, you can join my course today. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. You can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, there is a offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account, which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, I just took a sell entry on JSW Steel at 630. Now it's 6 to 8.55 something, so it just suddenly dropped down. So the support got broke and I took a short sell entry. So we'll see how it will perform. So sell around 630 somewhere. So guys, it's almost at 623. So my 1% target is achieved here, if you guys can see. So 624 is my 1% target. So guys, yes, I just took my exit now around 623.20 somewhere, and I booked my profit. So this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of JSWC. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I'll be teaching you all these techniques and strategies to make consistent profit like us. And the movement was very quick today. So within 5 to 10 minutes, our target was achieved and we booked the profit. Okay. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, and also if you want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced.